Hi guys, Lori here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a very quick video. I want to show you my bounty from Black Friday. I did not go crazy shopping this Black Friday. I kept it actually quite tight, and I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I'm not going to do any returns this year, which I think is the first year where I was just super selective about what I got, and I hope you enjoy my selection as well. Before I jump into today's video, I want to invite you to my Facebook group. It's called Zorimori Blog. It's just one more place where we can connect and talk more on like day-to-day basis, because between filming the YouTube videos and publishing them, sometimes weeks can go by. And on Facebook I publish almost every day like cute cool new products that I find, sales, new drops of Sezane usually, and things that are related to personal style. I would love if you join me there so we can connect on another platform as well. Without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, so I added a pair of jeans to my closet, and I do have a lot of denim, but in my defense, I do wear a lot of denim. It's my go-to pair of pants. These are the Levi's Wedgie Straight. It's a silhouette I've been kind of thinking about for a while, and when they went on sale I was like, okay, now it's the time. They come in a lot of colors, so you can choose. And the other thing I really love about these is that they come in different lengths. So I got size 25, but I also was able to select the length of my jeans, and I went with 26. And I'm always really happy when brands offer different lengths. In this situation they had 26 and 28, because when it comes to hemming pants, I'm a little lazy. Sometimes takes me months, so I can wear these like right away, just take off the tag and go out. The silhouette is a nod to the jeans from the 80s and 90s that gave you wedgie, but they rethought the design and now it's a little bit of fitting on purpose. But I would say these are the most flattering wedgie jeans on the market. Really great staple, very classic, and I would say if you're on the market for a good pair of denim, definitely check these out. Next up, the Madewell sale. I got this leather bag that is really cute. It's kind of like on the smaller side. It's very clean and crisp design. It can be matched with so many things. You can fit a good amount of things as long as they're not too bulky. But I've been eyeing this bag for a while, and with the sale the price made it super tempting not to buy it. And in addition to the bag, I also got these two bandanas. Oops, it fell. My side table can handle everything. But I got these two bandanas also from Madewell, and Madewell is a go-to place if you guys want some bandanas. I personally am planning to wear them, you know, kind of like French style, like this around my neck. Oh, obviously I'll have to like roll it the right way, but like I will wear both of these around my neck. Sometimes I just tie them to a bag, so it's kind of like a little pop of color on my bag. And over the summer days, sometimes I kind of wear it kind of peasant style, you know, like this. Really great designs, and they have many more. I just chose these colors because they are super versatile. Then from Loft I got a very cozy set to wear at home. I got it to match because I like looking good at home. These joggers are on the lighter side. I already have thick joggers, so I was on the market for something that is, you know, kind of like lighter fabric. They are ribbed, and the color, I'm just in love with the color. It's kind of like a chartreuse and tobacco in one. We have pockets at the front, we have pockets at the back. Love these joggers. And to match them, here we have kind of like a Nordic inspired Isle sweater, but the colors are a lot more fun. The Nordic sweaters are usually more tamed in color. Here I love the pops of like pinks, and again that kind of like chartreuse green. Very cozy, very comfortable, and all in all the Lou & Gray line by Loft is my go-to for like homeware, because the price point is really reasonable and the materials are really soft and comfortable. From J.Crew I got these home slippers. They are moccasin inspired, And 3 years ago, I bought Henry a pair of these. They come in men's sizing and women's sizing. So he's been wearing his non-stop for 3 years, and they look the same as they look when we bought them. He's really happy with them, and he's very picky when it comes to like shoes and slippers and anything that he wears. So that made me realize that I need a pair for myself too. I walk around the house with these slippers that are open at the back, but as it's getting colder, I wanted something more cozy that is closed at the back, and they are perfect. Many colors are available, also currently on sale. I'm wearing size 8, which is my usual size. That translates to European 38. And last but not least, I got this bra from Gap that I really love. It has adjustable straps. It's very soft, no underwiring, no unnecessary padding, a very deep V-cut on the neckline, which makes it super versatile. I love wearing cardigans where I unbutton the buttons, kind of like risque all the way to here. I don't like when my bra is showing, so this will create that illusion, like a nude illusion, but I'll have the necessary support. And then at the back, it has a super duper cute square cut back as well. So super excited and very unexpected find at Gap. Alright guys, this is it for today. Let me know what you think about my Black Friday finds. Do you like them? What did you get for Black Friday? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.